Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. It's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Well, today's shave soap is going to be by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this is Gondolier. And I will tell you, this is a classic scent for me. I'll let you take a look at the pour. And the scent on this that I'm picking up is bergamot, oak moss, and probably some cedar, but I'll put a picture up here of the scent profile because what my nose picks up may not be what yours does. And today's razor is going to be the Yaqi Katana, and this is a single edge, and this is one that where you can either snap the razor blade in half or cut it with a pair of scissors. And I find it a little tricky to load, so you're going to want to hold the top cap in your hands or in your palm, and then try to set that blade in there and let those little tabs there will actually catch this part. And so I will not be showing you that on camera, but I'm going to be using the Gillette Platinum. There's what the blade looks like once it's in there. And like I said, it's a little bit tricky for me. Do check the blade alignment because that center pin, the blade can kind of rock back and forth. And today I'm going to be, let me just add a little bit more water here. Today I'm going to be using the Tube 2.0 for Preshave. I haven't used this before, but I will say that it is like the Cube, it's just in the tube. And I can already feel the menthol, which is right up my alley. I already have it lathered up here in the Captain's Choice copper bowl with the Semouge Boar brush. And I used a 1/4 of a teaspoon with 10 milliliters of water. And this is the CK1. I find that the CK6 uses a little bit more water than the CK1, so. And my wife does approve of this scent, so that is always nice. And I'm warming up the razor. Let's get the shave going. I have 2 days worth of growth. Did I tell you that already? I forget what I say sometimes. No problem rolling through it. It's actually feels pretty smooth. Did you guys have an exciting weekend? Anything new in the shaved in? I will say, now that I'm getting down around the neck area, this does have a little bit of aggressiveness to it. Have you guys tried this razor? Comment below and let me know. Go ahead and get lathered up for pass 2. Get a little bit of that painted on here. That brush picked it right back up, didn't it? The scent on this is not overpowering. I would say it's kind of a medium scent strength. All right. And let's go across the grain. No issues with the razor rinsing. And I apologize for the late upload. I don't have a whole lot of words to say today. Just enjoying the shave. I did get an email from Blackland. If you guys that were looking for the Vector, the stainless steel version is going to be coming out real soon for release. I'm going to get cleaned up here with a cold water rinse, and I'll be right back. And you know what? I forgot my ice cube. Ah, dang. Oh well, we're going to roll with the punches. I have the matching Aftershave Splash. I'm going to give it a little shake. And it has that new cap, so I'm going to have to do a little extra shaking here. Oh yeah. That is a nice scent. And I was going to tell you guys that if you were wondering about the Dobie, whenever I first got her 7 months ago, she weighed 14 pounds. A little bit of star jelly. And last week when I weighed her, she has now reached 60 pounds. So she is moving on up. She's getting pretty big. And I'm not real sure how big she's going to get. Her mama weighed 90 pounds. And her daddy weighed 110. And that could be genetic, or it could be the owner overfeeding. So I'm not sure what she's going to be. Well, that razor had an excellent shave with it. Like I said, it felt kind of smooth there at first, but then as I continued going, I did feel that it is on the aggressive side. So just a little warning, if you don't have it and you decide to get it, your mileage may vary. Well, I will have a picture right here of everything that I used today in my shave, and I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.